Lesson 9.2, Angles in Radian Measure. Our essential question, how do you draw angles in standard position, find coterminal angles, and use radian measures? Standard 9.2, number 1, drawing angles in standard position. So we have an x, y axis. And this side right here, the positive x's, this x-axis right here, is called the initial side. And then you are going to go ahead and you're going to find your degree. And where you land is called your terminal side. So this is my terminal side because that is where I stopped. So between the initial and the terminal is going to be your angle theta. Also note that if you go all the way to the first y-axis, that's 90 degrees. Halfway around the circle would be 180. 3/4 away around the circle would be 270. And all the way around the circle would be 360. We are being asked to draw the angle with the given measure in standard position. If it is standard position, we know that it needs to start right here on the initial side. So this is our first line. And we need to travel a total of 240 degrees. Well, if I traveled just to here, that would have given me 90 degrees. If I travel all the way here, this would have given me another 90, so I have 180 degrees. If I go all the way 3/4 around, this would have been 270. 270 is too big, so I know I'm going to stop inside here. So I currently have 180 degrees. I need to add another 60 more degrees to get the total 240. Means I need to go 60 degrees into here. So if I visually split this into 30-degree segments, because remember it's a 90 degree. So 30, 30, 30. I already have 180. If I go another 30 and another 30, that would have been 60 degrees total. So if I started right here, I went 90, another 90, and then I went 30 and another 30. I landed right here, which would have been my total of a 240-degree angle. So this is my 240-degree theta. Let's try 500. Well, I know the full circle is 360 degrees. So I know that I already went a full circle around. Remember, you had to start right here on your initial side, and I did. So I already went my full circle around. I already have 360. Well, if I already went 360, how many more do I need to do to get to the needed 500? Well, if I add a whole nother 90, so if I go just 90 more, this gets me to 470. Not there yet. I need to add another 50 to get to my total 500. So this would give me 500 degrees. So that means in here, I need to do another 50. So hold on real fast. We went all the way around to give us our 360. This was another 90. I need to go just 50 more in here. Well, if I split this right in the middle, this is split where this part would have been 45 degrees. I need to go just 5 more degrees over. So I know just 5 more degrees over is just a smidgen more over. So this would have been 5 degrees. So I started here on this side. I went a full 360 circle. Then 90, 45, and just 5 more. And this right here is my terminal side. That is my 500-degree angle. I'm now being asked to find negative 50 degrees. This negative tells you that you need to go backwards. So I am still going to start right here on my initial side, but I will not be traveling this direction. Backwards has me traveling this direction. So I need to travel downwards instead. Down 50. Well, I know just halfway would have been 45 degrees. So this would have been negative 45 degrees. I need to go down 5 more. So 5 more degrees would have just been a smidgen more over, and this would have been another negative 5 degrees. So 45 and 5 more down, negative direction, would have put me right here. There are 4 more problems on the page. Please do these 4 problems for independent practice.